This is Masood. I am from Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in G. Pillai College of Engineering and Technology in a stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I joined JSpiders Hebbal on 26th August. I got placed in Mastercom Technologies with a package of 2.8. My special thanks to Salman sir, Navya ma'am, and Anupama ma'am, Rahul sir, and all the HR team, where they helped me a lot to get placed in this. They conducted regular grooming sessions to get before the interview. That helped me a lot to crack the company interview. And they'll conduct regular presentation classes where I improved my communication a lot by communicating with my friends and teaching them. I understand what the concept is very easily. I recommend you to all join JSpiders Hebbal to get placed in a good multinational company.